Wow, we had so much fun with this track. It requires some assembly. The batteries that are not included, 60 batteries. You need a screwdriver, and the most you can do behind the screwdriver is to open the battery. It takes maybe 10-15 minutes to put together, and then the fun starts. The truth is that this is the most fun I've had with these tracks ever, because it's really fast-paced, and the motors that propel the cars are amazing. So you can basically put it there, and then when you let go of the car, it keeps going. And the fun part is watching them crash, of course.
Is this level?
What else? So basically, try to find a place that is leveled. I leveled it with my iPhone. I put my iPhone to make sure that it is leveled. And then I turn it on. And you see how they crisscross. They sometimes smash into each other, but sometimes they go for a while without crashing. So it's just fun to watch it. I recommend rechargeable batteries as well.